Hi guys, this is Charlie at nanonood kayo ng Upstream Charlie. At today nandito ulit tayo sa Honor and check natin naman yung ibang products nila. No? So simulan natin dito sa Honor Pad X9A. Okay? So it's a AI tablet. May 11.5 inch na monitor, 2.5K Honor full view display plus 120 Hz na refresh rate. Meron dong 8,300 milliamp na battery at saka 35 watt na Honor supercharge. Plus meron pa Qualcomm Snapdragon 685 Mag at saka Magic OS 9.0 version. Itong unit na nasa tabi natin may 12 GB na RAM, 6+6 at saka 128 GB na ROM or storage. So meron siyang two variants or options, one with keyboard and one without keyboard. Kapag walang keyboard, ang presyo niya ay 11,999. Tapos pag with keyboard, 12,999. So ito yung unit nasa harap natin. So gray siya. Maganda yung keypad. Solid naman yung build. Tapos yung display niya, yung monitor, very crisp, no? Maliwanag. Para ka naka 4K na TV. Binuksan natin yan. May full display. So, tignan natin yung specifications ulit. Again, may yung battery niya, 35 watts plus charging. Tapos, 8,300 na milliamp. And Qualcomm niya, 685. Slim metal body, large memory, full display. So, check natin yung specification. May 4 speakers siya. 4 speakers. Check natin yung 4 speakers. So, 1, 2, tsaka 3 and 4. Yeah. 3, 4. Sa taas naman niya, makikita mo yung power on, tsaka volume. Tapos, sa gilid niya, makikita niyo yung camera. Ayan yung camera. Pwede natin magandang shot ko mamaya. Tapos, ano pa? So, basically, yun yung ano niya, no? Yung specs niya. So, ito yung camera niya. Ang next naman natin yung Honor Pad 10. May large 12.1 inch display siya, 2.5K display. Meron na plus 120 Hz na refresh rate. Snapdragon 7 Gen 3. Tapos AI powered productivity, work, and mathematics. 6 speakers. Whoa. With Honor special audio. Meron kang 10,100 milliamps na big battery. So, yung unit nasa tabi natin, meron siyang 16 RAM, 8+8 na GB, plus 256 na GB na ROM, 256 storage. Ang presyo niya, kapag walang keyboard, is 15,999 without keyboard. At kung may keyboard, is 17,999 with keyboard. So, again, gray na naman yung colors niya. Like yung Honor Pad X9A, okay yung ano niya, no? Quality niya. So, yeah. Check natin yung specs, additional specs niya. Right now. But, ayan. So, tingnan natin yung specifications. Again, 12-inch LCD with 120 Hz screen refresh rate. May 10,100 milliamp battery plus 35 watts na Honor supercharge. 6 speakers. And what else? Processor, Snapdragon 7 Gen 3. And then Magic OS 9.0 version based on Android 15. Check natin kung paano yung 6 speakers nito. So, 1, 2. Sa taas wala. So, power button and volume. And then 3, 4. Siguro sa ilalim niya yung yung isang speaker. So, check naman natin yung camera niya. So, ito yung camera niya. So, 6 speakers nga, no? Spatial audio. Ang next naman natin is Magic Pad 3. So, stunning 13.3 inch na display, 3.2K display, 165 big screen, 165 Hz, AI-powered PC level productivity, Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, and large battery, 12,450 mAh silicon carbon battery. So, ang price niya, no? Wow! 49,999. Para ka na rin may laptop. So, 32 na RAM, 32 GB na RAM, 16 plus 16, at saka 512 na GB na ROM or storage. Again, ang price is 49,999. So, ito itsura niya. So, I think meron siyang pen, I guess, kasama sa package. And then, ito yung keyboard niya. So, okay siya, no? Quality keyboard. So, ito yung monitor niya. Speakers. Yung speakers dito. Another button here. And another button here. Ayan, another button here, tsaka and a button there. At ito naman yung kanyang camera. Tingnan natin yung specs kung meron siyang. So, check na lang natin yung specs mamaya sa Google. I-google natin. So, yan yung Honor Magic Pad 3. 49,999. Okay guys, this time they have also laptops, no, in Honor. So, Honor Magic Book. So, check natin itong nasa kaliwa. So, ito yung Magic Book X14 AI workstation. May 14-inch siyang display, 16GB na memory, at 512 na ROM. Meron siyang 13th Gen Intel Core i5 processor. Nice. So, ito yun. Intel UHD graphics, IPS 14-inch Comfort Honor Full View display. Ang SRP niya is 34,999. Again, 16GB RAM plus 512GB na SSD na storage. So, ito yun. Check natin keyboard. Feel niya. Tapos may camera siya doon. So hopefully, ano na to, no? At least 2K. no? At least 1080 60 frames per second na webcam. Disappointing kung 720 lang siya. Tapos yan, okay naman. 34,000. Meron siyang HDMI. Meron siyang HDMI at saka USB. And then sa kanan, meron siyang USB. Mukhang pang-office lang to. Tsaka may 3.5 na jack. Nakita nyo yan. 3.5 na jack. Tsaka USB. Tapos dito. Then, mayroong HDMI. Tsaka USB. Ito I think sa power to. Intel Core i5. Okay, yung next naman natin na laptop is yung kanilang Magic X16 16-inch na display. Tapos may 16GB na RAM at 512GB na ROM. 13th gen na Intel Core i5 processor. So yan, may sticker ng Intel i5. So ano pa meron siya? Maliban sa i5 processor, yan yung technical specs niya, 13420H. You could research that sa Google nyo or sa AI nyo. Tapos meron siyang internal na UHD graphics, Intel. And it's also an AI workstation. So, ang kanyang SRP is 37,999. Okay, SRP is 37,999. 16GB na RAM at saka 512 na SSD. Tapos, ito yung itsura niya. Tapos, ito yung mousepad. Mga namang quality, di ba? 37,000, that's a good buy for a laptop, no? 34 at saka 37,000. 34,999 at saka 37,999. So, itong Magic Book 16, ganun din, meron siyang USB port. USB port siya, tsaka HDMI. Tapos, dito naman, may jack, tsaka may USB port. Sa likod, wala naman. Nothing special. Hindi siya katulad ng mga gaming laptops. So, basically, yan po yung mga available nilang laptops at saka mga tablets dito sa Honor Concept Store sa SM Fairview. So kung interesado po kayo ng Honor, punta lang kayo dito o tawagan niyo po yung mga tao that represents yung Concept Store dito. So basically that's it, and thank you very much for watching, and see you on my next video.